Welcome to Hook to Knot. In this video tutorial, I am going to show you how to make these beautiful keychains. You can make small size, you can make big size, depending on number of keys you want to hold. For making these keychains, I am taking anchor knitting cotton and 2.5 mm crochet hook. Additionally, what I need is a bead. Right now I am taking little bigger bead for demonstration purpose, but more you work with beads, you can go for the finer or the smaller sizes. Make a magic ring and make total 12 single crochets in the magic ring. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 and 12. After making 12 single crochets in the magic ring, I am not closing the circle completely because we need this opening. Chain 1, and now as we work in circles, do 2 single crochet on each single crochet of previous line. So circle increase. My 12 single crochets now will become 24. Second line in the circle is always 2, 1, 2, 1. So increase in the alternate SC. I am going to do a smaller keychain, so my increase stops here. This line onwards, it's only single crochet on single crochet till the required height. The required height should be till it covers the ring from the keychain. So do as many lines as you need. When you are doing single crochet on single crochet, no increase, slowly your work starts increasing in the vertical direction. Slip stitch into the very first stitch, again chain 1 and continue doing single crochet. No increase, no decrease, just single crochet on single crochet. Around 15 lines should be good enough. See how the shape of bell is forming. Because of no increase, this now shape will further develop. This is the ring which will hold the keys. I am done with the required height for the cover. Now what I do is, I do a line of slip stitch all around the base or end portion. That gives kind of strength and good finish. So after a line of slip stitch, pull up a loop, cut the yarn. Now I will weave in this. Now we need to create this thread to hold the ring inside. Make a moving knot. Now decide what length you need and do those many chains. I am going to do somewhere around 60 chains. I am done with the required length. Now what I will do is start doing a line of slip stitch alongside so that the line becomes double and it gets enough strength to hold the keys. After we are done with line of slip stitch along with the chain, our chain will become little thicker and stronger, and now we are good to weave in the ring that we want to carry. I'll just weave in the ends together so that they hold both of the things together. Now I will show you how I weave in on this bead. Last part of work remaining is to cover this bead with crochet and make it as a crochet bead. Now if you see it, we can start with few single crochets in the magic ring, then do regular increase, then few lines SC on SC, then decrease, and the last line same as whatever number of stitches we started with. I'm going to start with 7 single crochets in the magic ring. After 7 single crochets are done, slip stitch into the very first stitch. Now second round is of increase. Chain 1, 2 SCs in each of these 7 SCs, so we should have 14. Now 3 lines of SC on SC, same number, 14 SCs on 14 SCs. Let me tell you once again what I did. In the magic ring, I made 7 single crochets. Second line is 2 SCs on each SC, so 14 SCs. Then 3 lines SC on SC, so 14 on 14. Now it's the time to decrease. Now I will be making 2 SCs into 1. Intentionally I have taken a bigger bead so that you understand the technique. The more you practice, slowly you can go for smaller beads and the smaller hooks or the finer silk thread. This is especially decrease is little tricky. So from 14, now we will go back to 7. It's little tricky, but you will enjoy the final outcome. See this. I am converting 2 SCs into 1. So 14 SCs will become 7 SCs. As we are making 2 SCs into 1, the upper loops are little loose or maybe appear little big, and the end or the top portion doesn't look completely sealed. Now once we are done with all SCs 2 into 1, that 14 turned into 7, just cut a little longer tail and with darning needle I am going to stitch this portion very closed and seal the top portion, and this is how my keyring will be ready. With the darning needle I have tightened the upper portion, and now my wooden bead is completely ready. This is how it will look finally. This end we have to stitch properly and seal it with Fevikwik or some glue, which should give a nice finish to it. Now once the keychain is ready, how we decorate, we have multiple choices. We can add beads to it, we can make little embroidery, we can add crochet motifs, so on and so forth. and my keychain with cover is ready. I have sold most of these pieces with evil's eye motif. Sometimes I have made with sunflower, but this is the basic structure. Thank you for watching this video. Kindly like, share and subscribe to my channel Hook to Knot. Thank you for watching this video. Kindly like, share and subscribe to my channel Hook to Knot.